This is going to be very basic on converting binary to decimal and decimal to binary. For more detail, I suggest Googling for some of these resources or some YouTube videos in general, or just general books on CompTIA exams. Let's start with decimal to binary. And usually we're only going to need 8 places. So let's go ahead and start drawing that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And binary is base 2. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. 2 to the third power is 8, and so on. But I find it easier just to double. So I'll start with 1. Double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 4. Double 4 is 8. Double 8 is 16. Double 16 is 32. Double 32 is 64. And double 64 is 128. And we'll normally start here. So let's pick a decimal number that we want to convert to binary. And normally it's going to be something 255 or lower. Let's start with 130. So we see that 128 can be subtracted from 130. So a 1 goes there. Whenever the number is smaller, whenever the number is same as or smaller, we put a 1 there. So then we subtract 128 from 130 and we get 2. 64 is larger than 2. We can't subtract it, so a 0 goes there. 32 is larger than 2, so a 0 goes there. 16 is larger than 2. 8 is larger than 2. 4 is larger than 2. 2 is the same as or smaller, so a 1 goes there, and we take the 2 and we put it here, and then we get 0. And 1 can't be subtracted from 0, so a 0 goes here. So 130 is our decimal, and our binary is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Now let's test this in a calculator and see if we did it correctly. Here is binaryhexconverter.com. There's 130, and there's the binary value. Let's try another one. We'll start with 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's say that the number we want to convert is 255. And that's probably the highest we're going to need to go when subnetting. And again, we start with 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And let's start subtracting. 128 can be subtracted from 255. So we put a 1 here and we bring the 128 down here. What's 255 minus 128? 127. 64 can be subtracted from 127, so a 1 goes here, then we subtract. What's 127 minus 64? 63. 32 can be subtracted from 63, so a 1 goes here. 63 minus 32 equals 31. 16 can be subtracted from 31, so a 1 goes here. 31 minus 16 equals 15. 8 can be subtracted from 15, so a 1 goes here. 15 minus 8 equals 7. 4 can be subtracted from 7. That's 3. 2 can be subtracted from 3. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 1 can be subtracted from 1, so 1 goes here. And look at that. The binary for 255 is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Let's check our chart. 255, convert, and we have 8 ones. It's 255. Okay, this time let's try converting binary to decimal. I've already drawn out my chart, 1 through 128. I've already written my binary up here. Let's see how we convert it. Basically, we just bring everything down, and we start with however many places. I have 8 places here, so I also put 8 places here, so I just bring it down. 1 goes here, next 1 goes here, next 1 goes here, next 1 goes here, and then the zeros. And now wherever there's a 1, we add. So it's 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 equals 240. So 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 equals 240 in decimal. This time let's try 10 10 10 10. We just bring everything down. 10 10 10 10. So then we add all the ones, discard the zeros. So that's 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 equals 170. So 10 10 10 10 is equal to 170 in decimal. And I already checked it on the decimal calculator.